it's Mona here at Craft Klatch, and today is Friday. That means it's another Coaster Friday. Today we're making some fun emoji coasters, and when I was at the party store and I found these St. Patrick's Day erasers, I found these fun emoji ones that I thought would look really cute in a coaster as well. So that is what we're doing today. For this coaster, I found these cute emoji erasers, just like I did for St. Patrick's Day. And I thought these were so cute, it would be perfect to make a coaster out of them. So we're going to do the same thing we did last time. I'm going to pour about an ounce of resin down in here. Could be a little more. We're going clear, so it's not that big a deal. Popping the bubbles with my lighter. And I'm going to just kind of place these in here randomly. Just like that. I'm going to press them down with my stir stick. I'm going to pour just a little more resin over them. I don't think they're going to float, but we'll certainly find out. You want to take your lighter, pop the bubbles, and let them sit a minimum of 12 hours. The emoji coaster has cured, so I'm going to pop it right out. And there it is, super cute. These guys are so bright and they have such fun expressions on them, and you have it on both sides. So really fun, and if you happen to know somebody that likes their emojis, they might really appreciate a coaster like this. Thanks guys so much for being here, and I hope you enjoyed the emoji coasters. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye guys, I'll see you next time.